What up, it's Rob Level from Smart Rapper. Did you know that there's 12 different levels to the music industry? And if you're a music artist, you need to know them, because if you've never even heard about this, probably why you're a little bit lost right now. The levels actually show you exactly step by step what to do in a career. So it's a journey and a pathway, so you don't get confused about what to do. And I'll actually give you that 100% free. I'll give you that blueprint. It's nothing for me to give it to you. So I'll give it to you right now. You click this video and I will give you that blueprint 100% free. Just look at it, check it out, study it, examine it, make your plan, make 2021 your year, understand what you need to do, how you need to do it, and don't skip steps, because then that's going to put you behind. You need to know what to do. That's why I'm going to give you this. All right, I'm going to give you all 12 levels 100% free, show you exactly what you need to do. All right, click this video, go get your hands on it right now before it's gone. Oh, there's only a couple days left. All right, because I'm Rob Level from Smart Rapper. Keep hustling, gang, and I'll see you at the top.
Level. Working 9 to 5, saving to survive.